Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add people or add someone in Viber group chat. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. On Viber, if I first of all open up the Viber mobile application, as you can see the second one is a group, or let's just go for my own group. Let me just create a group right now. First of all, create a group chat, then go in the group chat and at the top of that group chat tap on the name, and now on the people you will get the option of invite. From here tap on it, or if you're the admin you will get the option of add people. From here you can add people from your WhatsApp or Instagram or as well as from Viber, and that is how you can add people or add someone on Viber group chat. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.